Constituency TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Kasian kebanengkong jongga jingle yu kejat Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Kisang Maha Kenshi Eastern West Khasi Hills District kalong ban yadon bentalang haga jingyalang balapelong daga National People's Party jongga Mauthar Raishan Constituency. Haga ne kejingyalang kabalalong haga Henriu Tarik ukelalang kot arjar arpulai ha Kenshi u Konrad Sang Mau laong baka seng NPP gadon kami ki Brio ki ba Shempang ki bala ban Kyntiew ya karoi kapar jongga Constituency kumju ru jongga jelahi barokawai klem da nyo lani kentho yano. Kani kejingyalang kalong ru shibenta pan ajing kershan ya ka kong Biolinda lengdo nong lai kapan aireng haga ne ke election shaking dorbar thawan kejela kaban salong shen.
Thank God Almighty for having blessed us with this beautiful day, for having blessed us with this beautiful meeting and given us this opportunity to be here together, to gather together and work together for the future of this constituency and for the future of our state. I thank Kong Biolinda and the entire team of the National People's Party for having organized this mega rally where thousands of people from all the different parts of the constituency have come here. I take this opportunity to thank all of you for taking your time out and coming here to be part of this really important and historic meeting. Friends, in a couple of months, we will be having elections. And these elections may be one of the most important elections in the history of our state. 50 years have been completed since we got our statehood. And as we step into the next 50 years, as citizens of our state, we have to decide where we want to take our state forward. And it is these elections that will lay the foundation, chalk out the path for us to be able to take our great state forward in the next 50 years. As a political leader, I believe in two things very, very strongly. Number one, I am a God-fearing citizen. I believe that God will always guide us in whatever we do. Ko Belinda, in a speech, said, "May God give you the wisdom and the courage to move forward." They sound like very simple words, which we always say. But let me tell you, they have a very, very deep meaning. As a government, we have been in many difficult situations. And we have required that wisdom to take the decision. We have required that courage to be able to make that decision. And it is because of the guidance from above that we had that wisdom and that courage to move forward. Number two, I always have believed that when we are in politics, it is always the people first. You should never be asking for power. Never be asking for paisa. It is the people that is the most important part of politics. You work for the people, you be dedicated to the people. The people will bless you with the position, with the power, and with all the blessings that you require to move forward. I know that there are many, many political parties that are going to say many things about the National People's Party. They will make different comparisons, saying that National People's Party is from a different region. I am very sad for people who think like that. As political leaders, every single citizen of this state is important to us. We don't differentiate between tribes. We don't differentiate between religions, or we don't differentiate between castes. God has always taught us to love each other. And those people today who try to make comments to divide are people with a very, very narrow thinking. And I'm sad today that people, even in today's world, will still use issues like this in politics today. When we as a party are trying to take our state forward, every region, every constituency, every citizen of the state must move forward. That is a policy with which the National People's Party works. We will take everybody forward together. Everybody. And let me tell you, let any political party throw as many stones at us as they want. Let them make fun of the National People's Party as much as they want. Let them use different issues and agendas against the National People's Party as much as they want. But let me tell you, it is the National People's Party that is going to form the government in 2023. And we want Mount Harashan people to be with us. We want to take everybody along with us. Friends, many political leaders have been elected from this constituency. I'm not here to talk about them. I'm not here to criticize them, and I'm not here to criticize any political party. I don't believe in the politics of criticism. I don't. Rarely would you have heard me ever give a speech, even in a political speech or in press, criticizing anybody. I don't believe in criticism. But I do believe in quality. I do believe that if we want to take our constituency and our state forward, we need capable leaders. We need people who can think and work with the times that we are in today. We need people who can bring in the ideas. We need people and leaders who can understand the problems of the constituency, speak about it, work for it, and change those issues and problems that the people are facing. It is the duty of the leadership to bring those changes. Many constituencies in our state have seen huge change in terms of development that has taken place. Sadly, some constituencies did not get those kind of developments that they deserved. I can't imagine that there is no proper hospital in a constituency, an area which is so large, having almost close to 45,000 votes. I can't imagine that there's no college or large hospitals out here or different facilities that are required. Isn't it time that the people of the constituency realize that this must change? That people deserve better? That the time has come to choose the right leader who can make the difference for you? The time has come. And I believe that this 2023 election will be the moment that the people of Mauthar Rashan constituency have been waiting for the past 50 years. And I can assure you that if we are able to work together and bring in the changes, bring in the change in the leadership out here, I'm sure that Mauthar Rashan constituency will also move forward the way the other constituencies in our state are moving forward. Today, the state government has embarked into ambitious programs, be it the self-help group movement for women, be it the youth program of Yes Meghalaya, be it the farmers program of Focus and Focus Plus. But sadly, large number of people from Mauthar Rashan constituency have been left out. And the people of Mauthar Rashan constituency have to ask this question, why? Why, when many other constituencies are getting the benefit, why people of Mauthar Rashan constituency are not? In our small capacity, whenever we get a chance, we are working, we are helping. But unless the mandate of the people is not there, the complete power given by the people is not there, in terms of an elected representative, we have limitations. We want to do so much, but the channel through which we have to do is not the best channel that we have right now. We need a better channel. We need a better access to Mauthar Rashan constituency. We need a person who will be able to think and work and be capable and match up to the speed of what this government is doing. which sadly, at this point in time, is not there. Under Focus and Focus Plus, more than 2.5 lakh farmers in the state have benefited. 2.5 lakh farmers. More than 150 crore rupees has been distributed to different farmers. And no, this is not a loan. You don't have to give these funds back to government. This is yours. And if the NPP government continues in 2023, which it will, we intend to continue this program and do it every year. We want to ensure that our farmers are benefited every year. This is a small amount compared to the large expenditures that we have in other sectors. And the reason why this is happening is because the National People Party believes that our farmers need to be supported, that the farmers need to be helped. And in the past, no other government has ever come out with a benefit scheme like the Focus and Focus Plus ever in the history of our state. And we feel that in the days to come, this will be a game changer. And to give you an idea, we intend to give the 4.5 lakh families of farmers and different producer groups 10,000 rupees per year, which is 500,000 into the group account and 5,000 into personal account. Which means every year 450 crores will go into the different groups and personal accounts. And you imagine this program continues for the next 10 years. In 10 years, we will have 4,500 crores that will go into the poor people's and the farmers and producer group account. Can you imagine 4,500 crores rotating in the rural economy through the different bank accounts of different producer groups and farmers is going to create a revolution like never before. And this is a vision with which we are working today. Government of Meghalaya spends thousands of crores on government employees' salary. Thousands of crores on teachers' salaries. Why can't we spend 450 crores on our farmers and producers every year? It is nothing much to ask. But the kind of change that it will bring at the grassroots level is going to be huge. And that's the reason why, my dear friends, we need your support to take our dreams and our vision for the state forward. It is only by being united and being together will we be able to achieve the goals and objectives that we have. And I strongly believe that it is leaders like Kong Biolinda, with the capacity that they have, with the kind of vision that they have, with the kind of leadership quality that they have, with the kind of commitment that they have. It is with leaders like these that we will be able to bring the change, not just for Mautharashan constituency, but for our entire state. So my dear friends, I have another program in Umsning constituency where our sitting MLA from there, Mr. Jason Maulong, will be joining the party today in Umsning, and hence Kong Ampuri and myself will be flying there straight. The meeting has started. Hence we had wanted to stay longer, but we have urgent meetings to attend. But once again, especially Kong Biolinda and the entire family of the National People's Party, and each and every one of you for having come here and organized this wonderful meeting with the kind of faces I'm seeing here, with a large number of supporters who have gathered out here. I have no doubt that in this coming 2023 election, we as a family and Kong Biolinda as our leader and as our candidate of this constituency will come out successful and will come out with flying colors in this election. I am very, very sure about that. And I wish each and every one of you the very best for this election. Once again, thank you so much for this meeting. May God bless each and every one of you. May God bless the National People's Party, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya.